Hello everyone, hey, it's Keegan, welcome back to my channel. Today is actually Sunday. I thought it'd be fun to do a little productive Sunday in my life. I have a lot going on today. Let me show you my to-do list. Every single line is full. So I thought it'd be fun to take you guys with me to do a little productive day in my life while I kind of recoup, get my life back together. You know the situation. I really procrastinated every productive thing this weekend, so we are just going to start getting stuff done. It's 10:55 right now. I've done one thing, and that is edit a video. It's currently uploading. I still have like a ton of the other video stuff. If you guys don't know, there's like editing a video, then there's like a thumbnail, then there's a description, tags, all of that stuff. Like there's all of that stuff. And then I have a ton of other stuff. On top of that, I kind of want to start off by cleaning my room. I will clean my room, and then the next day will be disaster. I've been a little sick this week, so that is kind of my excuse for why my room is a mess. So this is what it looks like. There's a lot of stuff that just needs to be thrown away, and that's like my biggest issue. My bathroom, look, I got a squatty potty. Isn't that funny? And then this. So there's a long list of things to do. I think that cleaning will be the first one. And then I think that I want to clean my sheets because now that I'm sick, I just feel like they're sick. Does that make any sense?
Try to get some money for some stuff that I need. Swear the ATM machine was laughing at me. Your girl, been running on empty, but I don't let it affect me. There are days that I consider moving back home, but every day I do, my gut keeps telling me no. Your girl, been running on daydreams, but that's just how my brain be. I don't need your doubt, nope, I don't need your doubt. Hey, just chill, I got all the time to kill, yeah, I got good vibes.
I first wanted to start off by cleaning my bedding, and because that's why I didn't want to combine it with my like beige sheets. I keep seeing this TikTok everywhere where this lady has like a dish rag and then she puts Dawn dish soap on it, and it's supposed to like make your whites whiter. So I tried that out. I'll let you guys know if it works. And then everything that goes in my bed, I just put it in a pile on my bed. But I'm going to finish cleaning up.
Good vibes, I'm too blessed to give in to any stress. It's only good vibes, good vibes. So when I can pay the rent, I got nothing in my fridge. Got no doubt, yeah, things always turn around. Yeah, I got good vibes, good vibes.
I think it looks a lot better. I mean, obviously we have to do the bed stuff. These are some of my returns. Need to throw these two things away, but like other than that, pretty good. My closet feels much better. With my to-do list is literally on my bathroom counter. Okay, like it feels better. So now I have some stuff on my computer that I need to get done. So let's do
I
it.
get my mattress back, they stole it from me. From the suburbs, but I fake like I'm from the streets. Yo, girl, staying pretty busy, learning how to city. Life is way too short to get caught up in that mess. All I wanna do is get drunk.
Next up, I think I'm going to plan for this week on my weekly to-do list. These are all sold out, the paper ones, but you guys can buy the digital ones. I'll link them down below. They're $5 each for a daily and a weekly. Anyways, I love planning my week. I love planning on a weekly planner and then transferring it to my daily that day if I have a lot of things going on. You guys really love when I plan with you. I really love when I plan with you. So we're just gonna start planning. I'll show you guys how I do it. Weekly planner, first thing that I like to do is just put the dates in. They have the little dates here, which just helps if you're planning ahead. This is not like promo for anything. This is just like what I do. Yeah. I'm putting all the days in. You can't even see anything that I'm doing. That's fantastic. But the first thing that I like to do is go into my calendar and see what I have going on that day. And then I will go into my school planner and then I'll write down all my assignments. And then that like always just kind of covers the basis. I think we're just gonna have to do a time lapse. I'm sorry.
Your girl loves that silver lining. Don't knock me cause I'm smiling. I don't need your doubt, nope, I don't need your doubt. Hey, just chill, I got all the time to kill. Yeah, I got good vibes, good vibes. I'm too blessed to give in to any.
It's been maybe like 30-ish minutes. I put my sheets in my washing machine, put the stuff in the dryer, all that stuff. I had an issue with my computer. I have the worst luck with technology. I literally wanted to scream, but now I'm finally eating lunch. It's 1 o'clock. I've been really into chicken sausage, and then I have like this leftover. So it's like sauteed bell peppers and then onions, really good. I also have a little bit of this green juice that I don't want to drink, but I just need to get rid of it. And then I'm gonna take vitamin C. I'm really trying to help my immune system out here today. But I also decorated for Christmas. I started yesterday. I'm doing a whole video. I don't know if this video will go before that one, but if it's already up, I'll link it down below. But I'll show you guys what I have done. It's a mess though, so yeah. I have a chaser, water. I don't know if being healthy is worth drinking this. Anyways, I'm gonna eat lunch and then I'm gonna finish with the rest of the stuff because I have quite a bit of stuff to get done today. Right as I was about to show you guys the tree, my roommates came in with their friends, so I don't want to be rude and like, can you shut up so I can record the tree? My next thing I need to do is take these curtains down. I got some new curtains. My mom actually got them for me for Christmas, and she's like, if you want them now, you can have them. And I was like, please, because these are blackout curtains, but they are not blackout. Also, if anyone doesn't know, you can have blackout curtains that are not black, but mine like still are not that great because they're from Amazon. So I got these ones from QVC. Thank you for the Christmas present, Mom. So I'm gonna trade them out.
It's only good vibes, good vibes. So when I can't pay the rent, I got nothing in my fridge. Got no doubt, yeah, things always turn around. Now I got good vibes, good vibes. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Sing it with me.
I have a couple returns to make, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's go.
Every little thing is gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Rip a page out of the book, a lot from Sir Bon Jovi, and just take a second, take a breath. Don't worry, just be happy. All you got is a day, don't got a second to waste. You have permission to listen to the brain you've been given.
Welcome back. I returned this stuff. I got a few little things. Got my car washed, got gas. Pretty successful, pretty productive. I need chapstick though. It's chapstick season. What can I say? I got a few things from H&M. I'm going out of town in December and I need some warmer clothes because I quite literally don't own warmer clothes. First thing that I got, I love this. It's this like beautiful jacket. Oh my gosh. It'll keep me super warm. I love like the pattern on it. I think it's really cute. I didn't try this one on. I saw this like right as I was leaving and I was like, I need it. But it's like this silk little cream top. I love these. I think they're so pretty. These two things I'm pretty unsure about. I got them, like I'm really in between buying them or not. And then I was like, okay, I'll buy them. If I can style them when I get home and keep them, but if I can't, then I won't. The sweater vest. I love the sweater vest. I'm afraid that it's going to be too cold for my arms, but it's very thick and warm. And then these pants, except for the issue with these pants is they're very see-through, but I do have like some like nude biker short style, like short, like spank things that I thought maybe that could go under these and make it work. If it doesn't, I'm definitely returning it. So yeah, that is what I got for my little haul. Next thing that I just checked off my to-do list that I was just not about to show you guys, I got a new credit card and I was trying to register it online to like sign up for the account and it wouldn't let me, so then I had a call and it was a whole process. I have no idea why it wouldn't let me register. I still no idea why. I got that, and then my sheets are in the dryer right now, but I'm gonna put my bedding in the duvet cover, which is always a struggle, so I hope that you guys enjoy watching it.
To the take, yep. Ooh, you ain't feeling if you're trying, and ooh, gotta believe the future's brighter. You owe it to yourself to do what only brings you joy. So shut up all that noise, yep, shut up all that noise. Hey, just chill, I got all the time to kill. Yeah, I got good vibes, good vibes. I'm too blessed to give in to any stress. It's only good vibes, good vibes. So when I can't pay the rent, I got nothing in my fridge. Got no doubt, yeah, things always turn around. Now I got good vibes, good vibes. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
I just made brownies and I was gonna vlog it, and then my roommates were downstairs and I didn't want to make them uncomfortable, but I think I'm gonna end the video here. I've done so much for today and I feel like I'm probably done for the day. Like, I don't think there's any more that I could do, but I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up, subscribe if you're not already. I'd love to have you here. My neck just popped. Okay, but I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.